If you have ever wanted to start an online store, but got stopped by the thought of buying inventory up front, renting warehouse space, managing stock levels, and figuring out shipping logistics, Doba removes every single one of those barriers. You sell the products. Doba and its supplier network handle everything behind the scenes, and you keep the profit without ever touching a single item you sell. Doba is a US-based B2B dropshipping platform that has been operating since 2002, over 2 decades in the e-commerce space, which makes it one of the original and most established companies in the dropshipping industry. The platform was built around one clear idea: connect retailers directly with wholesale suppliers and eliminate all the complexity that sits between them. Today, Doba serves over 1 million products from more than 1,000 suppliers across categories including home and garden, tools, outdoors, sports, pets, beauty and health, electronics, and more. Let me walk you through exactly how the workflow operates, because it is genuinely straightforward once you see it. You start by connecting your online store to Doba. Click the Connect a New Store button and install the Doba app on your e-commerce platform. Doba integrates with major e-commerce platforms to make this connection fast and simple. Once connected, you have immediate access to the full Doba product catalog. Then you search for products you want to sell. You can filter by product type, supplier, location, shipping times, price, and minimum order quantity. Or you can go straight to the top sellers and new arrivals sections to see which products are currently trending and performing well. When you find something you want to sell, you press a button and it is added to your store. All product photos and descriptions are automatically imported, no manual editing required. You set your own pricing and profit margins. From that point, the process runs almost entirely on its own. A customer places an order in your store. That order is automatically transmitted to Doba's backend. You pay Doba for the product at the wholesale price. The supplier is notified, packs the order, and ships it directly to your customer. You never handle the product. You never manage inventory. You never deal with packaging or shipping logistics. You keep the difference between what your customer paid and what you paid to Doba. What makes Doba specifically worth choosing over building your own supplier relationships is the infrastructure behind it. Every supplier on the platform goes through an extensive screening process before being approved. This vetting system means you are working with quality wholesale suppliers rather than spending months discovering through trial and error which suppliers are reliable and which are not. Most items ship from the United States with delivery times typically between 2 and 5 days, which is a meaningful advantage for customer satisfaction and repeat business. The automated inventory management system continuously updates product availability and pricing across your store. If a product goes out of stock or a price changes on the supplier side, your store reflects that automatically. This reduces the risk of overselling products you cannot actually fulfill, one of the most damaging problems a new dropshipping store can face. There are no minimum order requirements on Doba. You can order 1 unit or 1,000 units. This is particularly valuable when you are starting out and testing which products resonate with your specific audience before committing to anything at volume. For anyone concerned about the legitimacy of the platform, Doba has been operating for over 20 years, holds a 4.2 rating on Trustpilot, and offers a 30-day refund policy. If a customer receives a damaged or broken product, Doba provides a prepaid return label for return within 3 business days or issues a direct refund after damage verification. That protection exists on both sides of the transaction. One important note on geography: Doba currently serves the US market specifically, so shipping is to US addresses. If you are outside the United States, you can still create a Doba account and run your dropshipping business. You just need a store that sells to US customers, and payments can be made from a bank account outside the US. The platform also includes a professional product selection team that continuously identifies trending products and new arrivals, keeping your store stocked with items that match current market demand rather than requiring you to do all the trend research yourself. Here is the straightforward case for why Doba makes sense as a starting point for anyone entering e-commerce. You are not fronting capital for inventory that might not sell. You are not managing a warehouse or dealing with fulfillment operations. You are not spending months vetting individual suppliers. You are starting with a vetted catalog of over 1 million products, automated order processing, automatic inventory updates, and 2 decades of supplier relationship infrastructure from day one. The affiliate link is in the description. Head to Doba's official website through the link below to explore the platform and see the current subscription options. The Doba YouTube channel is also linked in the description if you want to see more about how how the platform works before getting started.